Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, I am Send It Steve, and obviously you guys have all been wanting the C5 to get done, and it is well on its way to getting back in the streets. Now, we do have a separate video for that coming out on fixing it and everything like that, and we're actually going to head down to my buddy Danny's house, but we're not here to talk about that today. Today we're here to talk about eBay parts. Now, I know a bunch of you, and even myself, I mean, I'm a culprit of it at times too. I don't want to spend real money. I just want to jump out there, and eBay actually has fast shipping and things like that, and I kind of sometimes cheap out on a bunch of things. So I guess it was probably back in November or something like that, I ended up doing headlights and taillights. I guess I pointed that out backwards, but headlights and taillights. As you do know, I absolutely love the front of the truck now. It has the new bulbs in it. They are freaking fantastic. My neighbor Juan, I forget his Instagram handle, but I'll put it down there. He is actually the same one that bought Miles, but kind of off topic. But obviously that grill is an eBay grill. The headlights are eBay, and obviously we got back here, which, I mean, this is a huge thing that kind of makes me a little mad, but I bought eBay taillights. So with the eBay lens, as you can tell, there's no damage anywhere on this thing whatsoever, but the whole plastic housing just popped off. Literally came off. The glue, I guess it was a hot day. It actually happened back when it was like 100 degrees that one day, and I was driving down the highway, and when I got home I noticed the taillight was gone, and I was just like, what the heck? Now, if you don't know what they look like, you come over here to this side and you can actually see what they look like. So I reached out to the company and I said, hey, I bought these lenses off of you. Is there anything you can do? And they said, well, yes, we can. We can actually give you $50 off your next purchase. So I was kind of like taken back, and I was like, $50? I was like, well, how about I send you the lens, since there's no damage or anything like that. All the lights, everything still works, which is great, which I actually thought the LEDs would have burned out first, but everything works, everything's great. How about I send you this lens and you just send me this as a replacement? They said, I'm sorry, we don't do that. That's not how we warranty it. Basically, their warranty is $50 off, which I guess they didn't have to do anything, but the fact that they were going to do $50 off was kind of cool. I mean, kind of not, but it kind of was. But we got to get new taillights. So I went ahead and jumped on Recon's site, and we bought new lights. Obviously, these come with pigtails for the new bulbs, but we got ourselves some brand new taillights for the F450. And I know I don't do much with the 450 content anymore, but it's kind of because it's pulled its own weight in gold so far. But this is going to be our new lens for the F450. Give me a second here to get them all unboxed. As you can tell, it's a regular pigtail and things, but give me a second here to get them unboxed, and we'll get the old ones out and the new ones in. I'm gonna try a time lapse here, guys. I don't know how it works. Obviously, you guys do know I struggle at times, but I'm gonna try to do a time lapse, and here we go. I know for a fact that you guys didn't think we could go through an entire video without a knivesdeal.com promo. So again, guys, the Jeep sitting behind it, every dollar you spend on knivesdeal.com will get you an entry to win a brand new one, not this one, a brand new 125cc Jeep go-kart. Definitely go get your entries now. This buck knife is absolutely killer. As you can tell, I actually trimmed some of my arm hair with it. It is that sharp. So guys, 10% off, use promo code SendItSteve, all one word. Go get yourself a buck knife, go get yourself some outdoor gear, and you know, you get a chance to win this Jeep. How can you go wrong? Don't worry, guys, I'm going all right.
Did you get some stuck in there? Wait a minute, we're laughing. How do we get it?
I don't know.
Wow, guys. So I got to stop the video there because I literally just touched this and look at it separating from itself. So now I understand 100% why we lost the lens, and here I was thinking it was something else, and now we know why they also did not want to just send me another set of lenses. They wanted me to buy something different. These are obviously known for being junk, and that is just insane. So obviously nobody hit the truck or anything. It must have just been a wind coming through and caught it at a right angle and ripped it off. So I'm gonna keep going with the time lapse here. Actually, I'll let you watch this here just to see if it breaks the rest of the way, which I'm almost certain at this point it's just going to break the rest of the way, but maybe we can salvage it. All right, we salvaged it. We did end up salvaging it, but guys, it literally is peeling. Oh, I must have pressed it back in. But look at that, just peels right up. Wow, thanks eBay. There's no moisture in there. That's kind of crazy though. All right, back to the time lapse. Alrighty, well these actually look a heck of a lot better. Don't mind the fact that this bulb is kind of sitting out. I guess that is actually what this pigtail is for. They want a different bulb in there, which I don't actually have right now, so we're just going to use the other lens out of the other one. They're just going to sit in there. It'll only be a temporary thing. We will get that addressed probably tomorrow or today. I don't know yet, depending on my energy level. But I know you guys are going to say, oh well, it's because of the damage that happened. Well, no, look at the other side here, and or you've seen the other side clip, but you obviously seen the other side clip. That lens was coming apart just like this one was. But man, these actually look kind of good. Let's get a little clip of them, and I'm going to apologize about the kids playing outside, but you do know it's a family channel, and it's the neighbor kids. It's summertime, they're allowed to have fun. Stand by, let's get some looks. Oh man, that looks good. That looks freaking good. Let's get to a little brake light action here. Gonna have to get a pry bar here real quick. Oh yes, what a good difference, what a good change. Try some reverse. Oh, some reverse bulbage action. I'd say we're good to go. Let's check the turn signals. Yes. 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 Alrighty. Well, I am freaking excited about that. That looks freaking killer. It actually matches pretty well with the one up top. But that is freaking killer, guys. And those lost fit lights, they're no joke. But there you have it, guys. I did actually spend... I'm going to pull up the receipt for this real quick, and then I'll get back to you and tell you what I spent. But I did spend a significant amount more for the recon lights, but I think it's going to be worth it in the end. Let me get the receipt and I'll come right back. All right, guys. Well, I looked up these lights. I actually paid $179.99 for these. As to these, I paid $349.99. So there's a huge difference in price. Let's check the quality. Let's see how long these ones last. And like I said, I am going to get the bulb that goes down here for the bottom. So, I mean, it is what it is. Obviously the cheap ones are not the way to go, and they also have this little resistor module, which I didn't know about. So these did not actually have them, which is probably a recon thing, but I'm freaking pumped. But there you guys have it. If you like the content, please smash that like button, please subscribe, and we're constantly making changes, guys. Now this is something we had to do, but you know, it is what it is. It's the next step that we are going to do is actually go ahead and get some recon marker lights on here, because I think it's well overdue. These haven't worked in a while. I got to get a wheel liner, and we're gonna try to turn this truck into a show truck. Also, stay tuned for a video that I have coming out on C4 off-road lighting. There is a promo code for that as well. It's Send It Steve, all one word. You will get yourself off 10% off any kind of lighting and things like that. I'll put a little picture up of the F450 with its new lights, and then we're going to do a comparison video. So that's why I don't have a video of the install and everything yet, but we're going to do a comparison video on before and after. Here's a picture. All right, guys, with that being said, please smash that like button, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next upload. I love this truck. What a workhorse. What a great truck.